Hello friends, my name is Ratin. Today I will teach you a doodle art and a mixture of calligraphy. Here first I will be using my calligraphy and then doodling art inside, and a concept is I am going to do I am going to write it Happy Diwali. So first I will be using my calligraphy and then going towards doodling art. So a drawing is a combination of doodling art as well as calligraphy. Now we are going to start. It's here H, A, P, that's happy. Now I'm going to make it Diwali. So it's here Diwali. Now I'm going to doodle it. For that I'm going to take a thin sketch pen little bit. Now I'm going to doodle it. Here few designs. Few curve line designs. Different direction curves. Here my H is finished. Now I'm going to make it A. One curve, two curve, and few dots. Again one curve, two curve, few dots. Again one curve, two curve, few dots. Again dots downside, again curve, again two curve, again two curve, again dots, again curve, and one dot at the center. Now standing, slipping, standing, slipping, here a few slipping lines. Now I'm going to make it one curve, two curve, three curve, four curve, 5, 6, 7, 8, and small circles at the center. And rest of place a slanting line. Again at the Y, standing lines, simple calligraphy, and a simple doodling. Here wave line, wave line, wave line, going towards downside and upside. Here one circle, one curve, two curve, one curve, two curve, again one more circle, again one circle, two curve, two curve, two curve, two curve. Now here circle, circle, circle. Three more circles on the opposite side. One curve, two curve. Few standing lines. Here, zigzag line. Here, triangle on both sides. Here, slanting line. Few more slanting lines. Again slanting lines. Now here, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line. Here my Diwali is done. Happy Diwali. Now I am going to make it backdrop first. So I am going to take a thick sketch pen. Here one rocket, giving some shades. Here I am going to make it a fireworks. Here I am going to make it one diya. Again few fireworks. Few here, again rockets. Again fireworks. Again diya. Few standing patterns. At the center. Here few bombs. Here a voice of a bomb. Boom. Here one more rocket. having a noise. Few clouds. Few air blast. Few dots at the downside. Here our happy Diwali doodle is ready.